Rumors and leaks have started stirring excitement across the drone world, revealing what could be DJI's most daring and innovative drone to date, the DJI Avata 360. Just as users were beginning to explore the full capabilities of the DJI Neo 2, new images suddenly appeared online, sparking massive speculation. At first, many enthusiasts thought these photos depicted a prototype of the Avata 3. But it quickly became clear that this wasn't a simple sequel, it was something completely new. The Avata 360, as it's reportedly called, appears to be a revolutionary hybrid that merges a full 360-degree camera system with a high-performance FPV drone, combining cinematic immersion and agile flight in one bold package. This design marks a major leap forward for DJI, blurring the lines between its FPV drone lineup and 360 camera products. Instead of treating them as two different devices, DJI seems to be merging them into a single, shape-shifting machine capable of seamlessly switching between panoramic cinematic filming and adrenaline-pumping FPV flight. The key to this versatility lies in a clever rotating gimbal system. In its 360-degree mode, the drone uses two wide lenses, one facing upward and the other downward, to capture everything around it, including the stunning invisible drone effect, where the aircraft itself disappears from the shot. Then, with a simple mode switch, the gimbal rotates, tucking away the lower lens and positioning the camera forward for FPV mode, ready to deliver fast, dynamic, and immersive flight footage. This dual-mode functionality essentially creates a new class of drone. It caters to both storytellers who want rich 360-degree cinematic perspectives and FPV pilots craving speed and freedom. From an imaging standpoint, the Avata 360 seems exceptionally capable. Each lens reportedly offers a full 180-degree field of view, recording at 4000 per lens. Combined through advanced AI stitching, the result is smooth 8K 360-degree video that requires far less manual editing afterward. For pilots who prefer FPV mode, the drone can shoot 5K video at up to 60 frames per second, producing crystal clear, buttery smooth visuals even during sharp maneuvers. When it comes to still photography, the Avata 360 pushes boundaries as well, with 30-megapixel standard photos and 360 panoramic shots that can reach an astonishing 120 megapixels. Under the hood, DJI seems to have packed this device with high-end storage and performance capabilities. The Avata 360 reportedly carries 128 gigabytes of built-in storage, with additional micros support for longer shoots. It's said to use DJI's latest O4+ transmission system, offering a massive 20-kilometer range under ideal conditions. Considering the extra weight and complexity of its camera system, an estimated flight time of around 25 minutes is impressive. This balance between endurance, performance, and imaging power reflects careful engineering aimed at professionals and experienced enthusiasts alike. Safety and sensing systems are another area where DJI appears to have gone all out. In FPV mode, the drone reportedly includes front LiDAR sensors, rear optical cameras, and bottom infrared sensors to enhance obstacle detection. When switched into 360 mode, the dual camera setup itself could act as an omnidirectional sensing network, providing the drone with full environmental awareness in every direction. It's also expected to include advanced subject tracking technology derived from DJI's Mini 5 and Neo 2, ensuring steady, intelligent framing even during rapid, unpredictable motion. As for availability, DJI is expected to release several bundle options to match different users' needs. A standard kit will likely appeal to general creators, while FPV-oriented packages may include goggles, motion controllers, and extra batteries. Pilots who want full manual control will need the FPV Controller 3, which will reportedly be sold separately. However, despite its incredible potential, the Avata 360 won't be an entry-level device. Shooting and editing 360-degree video requires powerful computer hardware and an understanding of post-production workflows. And FPV flying, of course, demands skill and practice. But for creators with experience and ambition, the creative possibilities are extraordinary, from cinematic fly-throughs and VR experiences to action sports footage that feels truly alive. From a design perspective, the Avata 360 seems engineered for both durability and precision. The rotating gimbal protects the lower lens during FPV flight, while the materials and internal layout are optimized to keep the drone balanced and stable despite its heavy imaging hardware. This meticulous balance of protection, agility, and imaging power suggests DJI's engineers were focused on delivering a product that doesn't just look good on paper but performs reliably in real-world conditions. If these leaks prove accurate, the Avata 360 will redefine what a drone can be. It promises to bridge the gap between professional filmmaking tools and high-speed FPV machines, giving creators the best of both worlds. The creative freedom to produce breathtaking panoramas and immersive action footage from a single platform. It could easily become a game-changer for filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators who crave flexibility without compromise. While the excitement around the Avata 360 grows, there's also some disappointing news about another anticipated DJI product, the DJI Pocket 4. Many expected it to launch by the end of the year, but reports now indicate the release has been delayed. The issue appears to be related to quality control problems with its accessories, which has pushed the estimated launch window to January 2026. The Pocket 4 had already appeared in an FCC filing, hinting at a 20% larger battery than the Pocket 3 and fueling expectations for a 2025 debut. The delay is frustrating for fans who've been waiting for an upgrade, especially amid uncertainty about potential US restrictions on DJI products. Adding to the confusion, new leaked photos surfaced shortly after a viral clip from popular leaker Gore, showing what appeared to be two prototype camera bodies mounted on a test rig. The images immediately split the community. Some believed they were looking at two different Pocket 4 prototypes being tested side by side, while others thought DJI might be experimenting with different lens weights to test gimbal balance and durability. Another theory claimed that one of the cameras was the actual Pocket 4, deliberately wrapped in tape and labeled for testing to conceal its final design. Regardless of the speculation, the leaked photos reveal some intriguing details. The gimbal motors look larger and more reinforced than those on the Pocket 3, suggesting DJI might be preparing the camera to handle heavier or more complex optics. The camera module also sits slightly forward, a design often used when dealing with more advanced or heavier lens assemblies. This supports the idea that DJI is working with real, fully functional camera hardware rather than dummy shells. Rumors also point to major upgrades, including 6K video recording at 60 frames per second, a variable aperture system ranging from f2 to f4, improved image processing, and even 360-degree panning capabilities. These improvements could make the Pocket 4 the most advanced handheld camera DJI has ever built. Though details remain murky, the mix of credible leaks and mysterious prototypes has fans buzzing with speculation and anticipation. Taken together, the unfolding stories of the Avata 360 and Pocket 4 showcase how DJI continues to push creative boundaries. The Avata 360 could change the landscape of aerial filmmaking with its hybrid design and AI-powered imaging, while the Pocket 4 aims to elevate handheld videography to cinematic levels. Whether through the skies or in the palm of your hand, DJI's next generation of devices seems poised to give creators new ways to tell their stories, and if the leaks are right, 2026 could be the company's most exciting year yet.